like the weirdest request that y'all have got for wedding planning or anything weird in the whole process?
Recently, there was a swimming pool of say 20 by 20. That's it. Bride's father was expecting the groom's entry via boat
Oh.
in that pool. And I was like, how is it possible? Like,
Paddle pool.
There've been situations where I had this one family. This is one of those that I turned down eventually. But we did one chota sa function घर पे, and then they were a family of 4 brothers. So I think the second brother's daughter was getting married, and the setup is complete. We have a truss, we have a mandap put up on the terrace of the house. The brother comes and he says, इसको ना आप थोड़ा 1 फुट इधर कर सकते हो?
oh my god.
And I'm just staring at him and I'm like, listen, what do you mean 1 फुट इधर कर दो? नहीं मैं आया हूँ दूर से तो कुछ तो कराऊंगा ना.
Wow.
So
Yeah, right.
it's like, and then the second brother came, third brother came. They all had their own takes to this whole thing.
Oh my god, that's
I'm
insane.
like, thank you. We don't want to do this wedding.
So has there ever been a situation where the wedding is about to begin and a massive fight has broken out because of which it had to be stalled and you were like the mediator?
So recently, I had somebody's mom who was planning everything, and for the entire time, my team was thinking it's her wedding.
Pretty cool.
Let's talk about the biggest wedding that is happening right now, the Udaipur
Oh.
wedding.
A wedding in Udaipur has set social media, business circles, and the luxury events industry buzzing.
So Udaipur wedding was done by the best in the industry. And you have all of Bollywood dancing.
Yeah.
At
It was like an award show, but I think, yeah, I mean, if you have money, why not?
What was
best
the budget like
designers.
for them? Do you have any idea?
Yeah, I will. I'm sure.
Yeah.
Hi ladies, welcome to the What Is Up podcast. So this is hosted by me and Sanika. So we have today Satyashri Panse and Damini Oberoi. Since this is our wedding special podcast. So Satyashri and Damini, I would like you all to introduce yourself respectively by looking in the cameras.
Sure. Hi, I am Satyashri Panse. My company is known as the Joysmiths. How we have the goldsmiths or blacksmiths, so we say that we create joy. That's why it's Joysmiths. So I have been doing weddings since 14, 15 years now, in and around Pune, outskirts of Pune. I do a lot of destination weddings. We have done weddings in Rajasthan, Goa, and Hyderabad. I'm not a wedding decorator as such. Decor is one part of my job. I know some amazing people like Damini, who is better in designing and visualizing the decor and curating the decor. So I love to work with people like Damini. And yeah, that's about it.
Damini?
That's kind of you though. My name is Damini Oberoi and my company is called Q Events and Weddings. Q meaning quintessential, which is an example of class and quality. And we've been in the industry for about almost a decade. We are a one-stop shop solution for a wedding, which means we are planners, designers, and decorators. So we do everything end to end, and we also collaborate with people like Satyashri as well. We've been doing Pune, Maharashtra, national, and now also international. We did our first international wedding in London this year, in fact. So yes, it's we're only looking upwards and forward.
Amazing.
Superb.
Amazing.
I mean, especially with the wedding season right around the corner, I'm sure you girls must be really busy.
Yeah,
But good that you could make time for us today.
No, it's a pleasure.
it's a pleasure.
So my first question for both of you is, what is the biggest shift that you've seen in the Indian weddings in the last decade?
You want to go first?
So I would say that, I would say a pre-COVID and a post-COVID. I think that's the new lingo
Yeah.
that we're going to
Yeah.
be talking about. So I would say, of course, we all had a really, really bad phase when COVID hit us, and it was all downwards, and there was no work for people. A lot of people shut shop. But yes, I think 2022, 2023, it was the revengeful spending that kind
Yes.
of got on, and
Ego spending.
ego
If we might
spending,
say.
revenge
Yeah.
spending, all of it that was, just kind of locked in. Everyone just exploded with that in the industry. Now it's just upwards and onwards, and right from the Ambani setting trends to now the big billionaire viral weddings setting trends. I think it's great for the industry. But yeah, I think we should just kind of remind ourselves of how we need to be more authentic about it.
Right.
Yeah.
So true.
I think the major shift, I would say, I have 2 points here. One is I feel these days bride and groom have a lot of say. Earlier, it used to be only families getting involved and taking decisions for the couple. But these days, the bride and groom have a vision for their wedding, and they are quite involved in the planning process, so which is really good. And I would also say that, especially for me, there are a lot of, like earlier it used to be inter-caste or inter-religion marriage. I think I'm doing a lot of international. One of the partners is not from India, and
Okay.
his.
Like, for example,
His or
groom
her
is from-
nationality is different.
yeah.
So I have Korean bride, I have Chinese bride, I have German groom, and that is happening a lot. So I think that's a major shift in the past whole decade. Like people are more broad-minded and
More global.
more global. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And now they're choosing India as their wedding destination.
Correct,
So that's
correct.
pretty cool, like for us.
It's very, it's
But,
very
but tell
nice.
me, are the bride and groom, even though they are international, do they have the same tantrums like? the
I
ones-
think they're pretty cool. No, I think they don't have any tantrums.
No?
I
Okay, none.
I
They have their
enjoy.
own tantrums. I mean, so I've seen it. I think when they come to India, everything's really cool and desi and fun for them.
Yeah.
But now when I did the London wedding in London, then of course I did see the tantrum.
Okay, like, where's my gluten
Because
free
you're
salad?
Yeah, for
Something like-
sure,
yeah.
for sure.
Oh, wow.
We have to curate menus accordingly. Of course, it's not
Yeah.
tantrums, but the one thing I'd say is they like our desi culture more than we do.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I absolutely.
Yeah,
I
But that's, I
also
think,
feel the
because
same.
of Bollywood has put the, wedding and everything on the map, and we've got so many.
Like I
ways.
say, it's an event now.
It's
It's
an
no
event,
longer
yeah.
a wedding or marriage per se. It's become a
Actually,
massive event.
exactly. But coming to Pune, since you're based out of Pune, how do you all compare weddings happening in India, like in Delhi or Mumbai, Bangalore? We say like or Udaipur rather, where they are this big fat Indian weddings. How does Pune compare on that scale? So Satish, to start with you.
Yeah, I think it has a lot to do with people and the culture. So Pune has this like lot of Marathi crowd, and even non-Marathi people from Pune are quite into simpler weddings and simpler way of expressing things, and not extravagant things
that's
like
true.
how Delhi market has. Nothing good or bad about it, but of course there is a huge cultural difference, and the like people in Pune are not much into people pleasing attitude, and they have this Puneri attitude.
And
They
what
want to
about
be
spending?
happy.
What-
Yeah, they
They
are
are very
very
frugal.
stingy. Yeah,
Very stingy.
Very
and they select, like they have their priorities set where they want to spend. So I think that's a huge difference. And Delhi market, I mean, they have to show it off quite a lot. I mean,
Shosha.
yeah,
So sharp.
I think it's a
Glam.
It's
Yeah.
glam, and it's fun also.
But
I
then,
mean,
sorry, what do you think? Like for Pune weddings, as per
I
Mumbai
actually-
and Delhi?
Disagree a little bit with what Satish is saying, because my kind of clientele is a little bit of a showy kind
Yeah,
of clientele and not as simple. I think I have a mix of both in Pune. The one thing I do think though in Pune is that people like to spend. People from Pune do like to spend, but maybe not within the city. So they'd also like to go out. Like this season itself, I know of a couple of clients who are doing weddings in Jaipur and
Yeah.
Udaipur, and they're spending out there, but not within the city. So yes, and there is competition, of course, there is.
Right.
But then,
Maybe not as much as Delhi, but there is.
But then you both must have done a Mumbai or a Delhi wedding, and then coming back to Pune wedding, अरे चल ना जा budget नहीं है तेरे पास, ऐसा कभी होता है?
I'm sure, I
कि-
mean, there must
Yeah,
have been
na?
situations where you were shown a Pinterest mood board
Yeah.
and they would be like, we don't have that kind of budget, so do it in half. Has
So
it
that
happened?
happens a lot.
Yeah.
like almost all the time.
So I've had this constant struggle of trying to say that, hey, I am from Pune, I'm proud to be from Pune, but I am going to charge you what Delhi and Bombay charges you. And it's taken a lot for me to start doing that and be now labeled as oh, they're expensive. But I'm like, listen, we give you the same kind of services, same kind of decor, probably sometimes better than someone from outside.
Outside, yeah.
So yes, it has taken a lot for us to do that, but touch wood, we've reached there, and now that we've done weddings outside, people here perceive us in a better way.
But
How's it been for you, Satishi?
no, I think what Sanika mentioned, like they come up with this Pinterest board and all the Western flowers used and like a lot of Western influence. And sometimes it is not locally available, and still they want to do it in like we can obviously import it but they don't want to spend that much. So. There is this funny meme, you must have seen that Life of Pi thing.
yeah.
There is a tiger and pie, and
Yes.
there is a cat, and so that happens. Like they give us budget like that, and
Expectation.
Yeah,
Expectation
versus
versus
reality.
budget.
so it happens quite a lot, and it's like tough job to
What do you
convince
say? Like, what do you say ki, when the client is demanding such extravagant stuff?
No, so we try to get it done in their budget. We of course try, but whenever it is not possible, we put our foot down and say that this is not
No.
happening.
Yeah, like I mean, see, we're also into design, so we have that thing like, okay, fine, if you've shown me like an arrangement which has peonies or which has really fancy
Correct.
exotic flowers, I might say, listen, I give you a similar looking thing with local products, but it'll be similar. It won't be the exact same
Exact
thing.
same thing. Yeah.
So yeah, we do try to match the eventual look and
Okay.
feel.
Okay. But now, what is the schedule of marriages that come? Like, first we had only Sangeet. I mean, Sangeet was also introduced
No,
very late.
it's very
really.
recent.
Indian thing.
I think
mean,
this is
Past
all
one
picked
decade
up
or
after COVID a lot, like for Maharashtrians. I'm not
Yeah, I was
talking
about
about.
to say.
Yeah, for
Correct,
It's a
Maharashtrians.
very North
From
Indian
Maharashtra.
ladies,
Yeah.
Sangeet and Punjabis and
We
North
don't
Indians
have that
have
concept.
a Sangeet.
I mean, like alcohol
Yeah.
and drinking
No,
and everything was
it's
not
frowned
part of the
upon.
wedding.
I mean,
yeah.
come on, like-
Exactly. Like,
Maybe Maharashtra and like, so to a certain extent Marwadis and all, they don't have alcohol.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
Sindhis, Gujarat, Sindhis,
Punjabis.
Punjabis, even Maharashtrians, there's,
Yeah.
there's a hidden
Yeah.
bar,
There's a hidden
even
bar.
in Gujarati weddings.
Yeah,
so,
true. So I think it's really big in North, and then
Yeah,
as
it
we
is, it
start
is.
to come down a little, that's when it starts to.
But
I
then
mean,
now you
Sangeet
have
especially.
to, put in all these pieces also together. Why? Because the groom wants a party, obviously, before getting married, like next day and all. Then you have to, do the alcohol arrangement and stuff for them.
Bachelor's
Get
party.
some permissions, not bachelors,
Then?
but like pre-night or like there's the guys and all. They want
Oh, that
party.
also happens now.
Of course, that happens. Like the
Now the
hotels and
trend
all.
is changing to post-wedding Sangeet.
Oh, acha.
Yeah.
Because this, what happens if you party on a Sangeet day, next day is the wedding and everybody's hungover and parents are angry.
Then you have those IV drips.
And to avoid the IV drips, actually, people have started doing post-wedding bash. Then you can party, you can dance, you can get exhausted in that, and then there is nothing next day. Just
So
the-
there's a pre-Sangeet and a post.
no,
so they get
pre-Sangeet.
married before,
Yeah.
and then they do
And
the
there is-
Sangeet the
There
next
can be
day.
pre and post also.
I think it's a very good idea. I
If you,
feel.
you also pick pre
Yeah,
and
because
post
then
Sangeet.
you're relaxed and you can have fun.
100%,
So
100%.
I always encourage this.
Pre-Sangeet package with alcohol plus IV drip.
Yeah. Post Sangeet will happen after 6 months,
Only IV drip.
going by how the marriage is
Only IV.
working out for them. And there'll be Sangeet every 6 months after.
Yeah. So, but what's with the IV drip?
We do a discount for that.
Yeah. 10% on every Sangeet that happens every 6 months.
Oh my
So
god.
what's with the IV drips? I don't know. No one heard about it.
So this trend has started, I think, again in Delhi. There were these Botox parties and stuff that were happening in kitties. But I think that got taken over by IV drips now. So when you're hungover, the next morning there's there's a foot massage happening on one side, and then there's an IV drip station on the other side. So just to kind of recoup and be ready for the next event.
So it's good. I mean,
It probably is good since it's selling so much.
Good.
you have tried?
yeah.
Have you all tried?
No, I mean, I have tried the IV drip, but it had nothing to do with recovering from a hangover.
Mango. I didn't
It's a
help.
cosmetic purpose.
Yeah, I mean, it was something.
So what is it? It brings glow.
Minerals, basically. Yeah, so essential nutrients and
See, I
minerals.
think right now it is frowned upon because in an auspicious setting like wedding, you're injecting yourself, like there are nurses putting saline and all
Yeah.
that. So I think that's pretty sad. But I think the whole point is to recover from
So
the
basically, it's
hangover.
Glucon-D in the form of
Yes.
injection.
No, but there are other nutrients
Yeah.
depending on what issue you have. that actually goes into you.
Yeah.
And I think it's frowned upon by the elders. I don't think
Yeah.
I think it's not frowned upon by the woke
But,
generation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So mostly the bride and the groom must be, going for this, or is it not like that?
They do.
Like,
The
only
whole family goes. They have like.
I have seen like
free-
aunties in their
yeah.
60s
Oh,
and
yeah.
70s on the trip also.
How we
Yeah.
used to keep the foot massage stations,
That's
like
right.
everybody's
Yeah.
tired and everybody's getting foot massages. Similar to that, now IV drips are a thing.
Wow.
Yeah,
And
like
that
the next
is-
morning of the Sangeet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but my next question is then, since you all are planning so much, the weddings, so there are, there's catering, there's a lot of things to be managed. So then, how do you all like process it out? Why? Because clients have different expectations. They want different people, like the DJ and everything. So when a client comes to you all, what is the thing like you all make them sit down and make them understand like boss, look, this is the process, this is what I do, obviously the charges, or like they come to you like how does it go about it?
You want to start with this?
Yeah, I mean, it works differently for different people. I would say it's sometimes they come to us through a reference, and then it's like they already trust us. They already have some experience, mostly good experience. So generally, they know how the process is. I mean, we try and understand what is their requirement, what is their vision, I would say, and then we give them solutions, like we give them venue options, or we give them the flow, how we can go about it, how we can plan this 4-day thing, 7-day thing, 2 days thing, depending on the time available. So it is totally relative, like how they want to go about it.
People to people.
Yeah.
It changes, I
For
guess.
you?
For us, it's a lot of educating our clients because they're not aware that everything can happen under one roof and that there are different people for different things. So there is the wedding planner who does something different from a designer or a decorator. Because back in the day, again, the elders had that one mandap wala, right?
Correct.
कि यार हाँ इसको बुला लो और इसको budget दे दो और he will handle everything for me. But that's not how it works today, right? So it's all about educating that client. So when they come to us the first time, we have a full presentation where we tell them this is our scope, this is what we do, and this is the step by step, and then this is the fees that we charge for it.
Okay.
And again, they have this whole notion of, oh, you're a wedding planner, so you're not, you're going to have a commission on everything. And like...
That's a problem. I
Yeah,
face
and you're going to,
that.
oh, so you charge so much for something that's not tangible, which is basically my design, right? So I actually had someone ask me, oh, so intellectual property ke liye you're going to charge us so much?
Wow.
And I'm like, yes, but it is intellectual property. It is my brain telling you where you should use less and where you should be using more. So it is educational. The first meeting is all about telling them
Yeah.
how it works.
Unfortunately, I mean, like they trusting us with this process takes some time in some cases.
Yeah.
But once they put a trust in us and they start treating us as their family,
Yeah.
it becomes easier actually for us also.
Yeah, that shift to
Yeah.
ki we are on the
We are
same
on
side.
their side. Yeah, exactly. That is very important.
But does
for them
that
to
ever, do you all ever feel like from the first day, the family is not trusting you or the bride and groom are not trusting you and they're doubting you? Sometimes.
Sometimes.
might
There are
happen.
creative differences everywhere, but I think it's about convincing them at the end of the day that it's our job to do
Correct.
this. So trust us. Otherwise, you don't have an option.
So how do you all deal with that then? Like,
Yeah.
नहीं मान ही नहीं रहे यार ये लोग तो होता है कभी-कभी एक client होता है कि like he is not listening only to you, whatever you're presenting, everything
See,
is
then
like.
the process becomes
just like
little
it.
annoying, but at least I don't think both of us will give up on something like that. I mean, we'll try and
She has.
yeah. I mean, sometimes we must have, but
has given up.
I mean, I don't think easily we can. I mean, we have a lot of patience as a wedding
yeah,
planner.
for sure. Patience is, you can't be in this industry without patience.
Yeah.
But with us, it's I think give and take in terms of energies and vibes. So in my
Correct.
first meeting itself, I feel like we exchange a lot of again energy, good or bad, right? And then you can gauge whether this is going to work out or not.
Yeah.
Sometimes you could be wrong. So. But in the first instance, if I do feel like this is not something that will work out, our mind, our aesthetics, our ideologies are not matching, then we kind of don't take that wedding. Because eventually I know it's going to bother both the parties.
Correct.
Understand.
Correct.
And in cases where I've not taken that decision, we've regretted it,
Oh.
or we've had issues with it.
Yeah.
So it's important to kind of judge that both ways, and I tell this to all my clients. Budget is a secondary thing. First, see how you're gelling with your planner
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
your designer. Are you all
If
on
we
the
are
same
aligned.
page?
Yeah.
Are you aligned? Otherwise, it's
I
not
agree.
going to be a win-win for either.
Right.
But-
What are the sorry?
Yeah.
What are the margins like, if I may ask, in this business, event planning, wedding planning?
Again,
Just
it's
out of
different for
It's
different
very,
people. It's very
tricky?
Tricky
You tell your
question.
budget, then they'll tell you. Suppose we are
Okay, what if my
planning
budget is say 1 CR?
for a wedding.
No, like I said, it depends from. It's really subjective. It's
Okay.
it's whether you're a newcomer. Now there are newcomers in the industry whose margins will probably be 10% to 20%. And people who are more established would have a higher one. And then people who are like very high-end designers, they're charging anywhere between 30 to 40 lakhs for a wedding,
Oh, wow.
only for designing, only a piece of designing. So then the margins automatically go up.
Oh,
Depends on how established you are.
Right.
There's no standard to it.
Yeah.
It's not like a restaurant where this is my food cost.
Yeah.
yeah.
So there's
But-
no average fixed
Huh, so
cost.
I
No,
assume
so
that there
in-
would be like
in
an
my
average
case,
margin.
normally what happens, I charge the coordination fee or wedding planning fee, and everything is up and above that. Like the decorator's cost is different, and so that is at actual how we go. So we fix the cost for us, and then we go ahead with that. Then whatever they choose in terms of decor, food, venue, it is
Plus.
Plus.
So.
Okay.
I
assumed it
try
would
and
be-
understand the scope first,
Right.
and then I charge accordingly. So it is not a fixed fee for
Correct.
every client.
Correct.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. But so what is like the weirdest request that you all have got for wedding planning or anything weird in the whole process? So now
I
it's
think,
still
I think I get funny requests like recently there was a swimming pool of say 20 by 20. That's it, and the bride's father was expecting the groom's entry via boat
Oh.
in that pool.
20 by 20.
And I was like, how is it possible? Like,
Adulthood.
he was like, no, we have to get a
Should have said,
boat.
how old is your son? Can I get him in a kiddie boat?
I mean, yeah.
Or
it was-
those flamingos.
Yeah.
I think I turned down that wedding.
You turned down that
yeah,
wedding,
because
yeah.
in first few meetings these
Requests started coming
yeah
in.
these requests, and they
Oh,
wanted
wow.
to get a helicopter for petal shower in a very like that is
Small,
okay,
yeah.
but in a very small venue.
Yeah.
And I was like, it is not possible. I mean, they were not ready to accept that it is not possible.
Did you go back to check whether they actually could pull it off?
No, they did not. I know it. Like,
Invariably, one of these that don't work out,
Yeah.
I always go back to see what happened.
yeah.
Because
Same here,
curious,
same here.
right?
I'm
What
very
happened?
curious.
Who did it? Who did
किया
it?
क्या उधर?
Who did it?
Yeah, who made it happen?
And then I always see कि यार इनका demand मेरे साथ तो इतना अलग था.
Yeah.
अब उन्होंने कुछ और ही कर लिया. And
Yeah,
it's like
Correct,
nowhere
correct.
compared to what they were asking me.
Yeah, because I think after you guys, they must have met at least 3 other event
Four,
planners who
yeah.
would have told them the exact same thing. So then they could not go back to the first person, right?
But still weirdest. You've not told us weirdest that you've got.
There are so many. The list of it,
the
yeah,
list
like,
it.
there've been situations where I had this one family. This is one of those that I turned down eventually. But we did one छोटा सा function घर पे, and then they were a family of 4 brothers. Okay, so I think the second brother's daughter was getting married, and the setup is complete. We have a truss, we have a mandap put up on the terrace of the house. The brother comes and he says, इसको ना आप थोड़ा 1 फुट इधर कर सकते हो.
Oh my god.
And I'm just staring at him and I'm like, listen, what do you mean 1 फुट इधर कर दो? नहीं मैं आया हूँ दूर से तो कुछ तो कराऊंगा ना.
Wow.
So
Yeah, right.
it's like, and then the second brother came, third brother came. They all had their own takes to this whole thing.
Oh my god, that's
I'm
insane.
like, thank you. We don't want to do this wedding.
That's why you
And
take
in
an
between-
advance.
That's yes.
And in between of the wedding, like अभी होने वाला है शादी तब. So then how do you make this
No.
call?
We don't obviously leave someone stranded.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was one of the pre-wedding
Pre-wedding
functions, like
functions.
months
Okay,
before,
okay.
and we were still talking to them about the wedding. Yeah.
Fair.
But this is not weirdest. I think they are being very.
There must be some request, you know.
Ah.
Yeah, I know it's monsoon and I want to get married, but yeah, just can you make the rain stop today?
Yeah.
Do something
Oh,
of that.
yeah.
Because पूरे wedding
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
में तो
please,
बारिश
you
कभी
have
नहीं
to
हो
make
रही है.
sure that it doesn't rain, and I
Yeah.
will not do a waterproofing. But
Oh.
make sure
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
not going to rain. So then we've done all these totkas on the day. कैंची उल्टी डांग दो मंडप पे जाके फिर और कुछ everyone comes up with their own
Yeah.
superstitions. So then we try all of those कि
Yeah.
कि
Ah.
बारिश ना हो.
Like ये weather forecast का हर रोज एक message आ रहा है
हर
अभी
रोज
भी
है।
because it was
Yeah,
raining till
raining in early
November.
November.
So Satyashi, is it raining in Pune? So what do we do? We don't have an option but to do a waterproof mandap. I mean,
Right.
Yeah.
what else can
What
I
else can we do?
suggest?
Yeah.
I mean,
Correct.
I
Like,
cannot.
I'm not God.
Yeah.
But then still the family is like, no, yaar, this should have been under your control.
हाँ.
Then what do you do?
और अगर ऐसे मीटिंग में like if I say in case of rains like if I'm discussing the risk they are like no
नहीं,
don't say
negative
that
बातें मत करो.
negative बातें मत
हाँ.
yeah exactly this I get a lot I'm like I have to think
Yeah.
I have
I'm
to think
being
about a
practical,
backup
yeah.
plan
Of course.
yeah
So, but ऐसे भी कोई रिक्वेस्ट आता होगा ना कि यार see I want a wedding which has never been done before. So
That is
something
every
like that.
client.
That is every
That
client.
is every client.
Wow.
Something different.
हाँ.
Something that's never been done before. But actually, they mean exactly what was done in the last billionaire's
yeah
wedding.
exactly
And what was done in Ambani's wedding.
In half
That's
the
what they
budget.
want. That's how
In
the
half
guy
the
wants
budget.
to walk
In half the
down the
budget.
aisle.
Half the budget.
In half the budget.
half the budget
Not even half. Yeah, we're talking
Yeah.
Ambani's. But
Wow,
yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
We had weird requests.
unique
We had-
ideas
You can get a country married in Ambani's budget.
yeah
Maybe, I mean,
Yeah.
yeah.
Good,
Like
good.
The mass,
But
mass
even the
weddings.
Ambanis ended up spending like 0.3% of their entire net
Exactly,
worth, you know. Like, so
exactly.
we just think it's lavish because we wouldn't be able to afford that. But we end up spending like what 3%? Not we, I mean you guys
Huh.
would have spent at least 3 to 5% of whatever. 9.
Yeah, aspirational goals everyone
Yeah,
has. So
exactly.
everyone wants a different wedding with a different artist, with different decor,
Yeah,
with
something that has never been done before.
correct.
To enter this market for newcomers, it's going to be a cutthroat competition because there are already a lot of players in
Yes,
this
yes.
industry, right? So how do you function? Like how do you market yourselves, or how do you take them under your wing, and then how does the competition?
You mean
work?
how do we help them?
Yeah.
Or
Do you
how,
help them?
What is a suggestion that I would give
Yeah.
someone who's
Ah,
coming into
yeah.
the industry?
Yeah, and
So I
and what
would
if they try
say
to steal your clients after that mentoring?
there are lots who are stealing clients now because they undercut like mad. Like
Yeah.
I said earlier, that their margins are lesser because they want to get into the industry.
Right.
So, but I would say like how I started was by doing my best friend's wedding or like my brother's or my cousin's wedding. So you do those where you can make mistakes because you're doing it for free. So definitely do stuff for free, which is not going to cost you, and no one's going to be able to blame you for it because you're not charging them, right? So do that for sure, and then slowly, kind of with that, you'll always have word of mouth because wedding industry is all about trust. It's like going to a jeweler. Like you will go to that one person because someone told you कि इसने मेरी बेटी की शादी अच्छे से की.
Right.
Because it's all about the trust, right? So you start small. Start with people you know. Even if it's a birthday, even if it's like a baby shower, do that. Like I said, make your mistakes and then go into.
So
the
word of
business.
mouth basically is
It's
how
yeah,
it
I-
works best.
I completely agree. I think it has a lot to do with goodwill. Even if somebody is stealing your clients or something, if they know that what kind of work
Right.
you deliver, they'll come back to you and they'll understand that your worth. And I think for us, it started. We used to do a lot of corporate events and concerts, and like we used to work for these people who had weddings in their families and they liked our work and they started approaching कि ये भी कर दोगे क्या and we were new to this like we had never done a wedding before and we were like क्या ही हो जाएगा कर लेते हैं मतलब it's an event ultimately but then we got to know that there is a lot of emotional drama involved in this it has to be catered separately so we started Joy Smiths like
A separate division.
separate division because it is different ball game altogether.
Do you also have tie-ups with the hotels, like Marriott or Ritz or Conrad? How do
So
they
we have
approach?
great
venues.
relationships.
The venues, yeah.
I
we
think
have great relationships with hotel brands. So they do push us. We also recommend them. It's a
Correct.
give and take.
Okay.
So when we recommend a hotel, the next time they probably recommend us.
yeah.
That's how it works.
Yeah.
Okay.
And not just hotels here, like the resorts,
Resorts.
Yeah.
like lot of because we know that what venue is going to work best in terms of flexibility of the like their policies
Yeah.
or indoor and outdoor venues, food,
Correct.
the room. Everything. So we know what venues to suggest. So that's why, as she said, we have great relations with these
Right.
venues, not tie-ups. I would say
Because at Deccan Gymkhana and PYC, they have their standard set of 3 caterers or 3
Yeah.
venue
Three
designers, whatever.
Designers, yeah.
So they just give us those 3 options and then pick
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, so then, like, for example, I'd never end up working there.
Yeah.
Right.
Because of that reason.
Because that
And
restricts your
I end
that
up
risk
working there
capacity
as a
also.
planner, but I don't enjoy it
Yeah.
quite because
Is there any scope of planning there or no?
yeah, sometimes. But what happens? There is creative restriction there.
Yeah.
You can't go all out with your ideas, and the panel decorators will insist
their
on
own-
having their own material and inventory to be
So
used.
there's only decor involved.
Yeah,
Kind
so
of thing.
So it doesn't give you the creative liberty which I think
Exactly,
otherwise
exactly.
you might have. So has there ever been a situation where the wedding is about to begin and a massive fight has broken out because of which it had to be stalled and you were like the mediators?
Solving a fight,
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it has happened once with us, but thankfully we tried controlling the situation well, and the wedding happened. Later, what happened, I don't know, but the wedding happened. It was delayed by half an hour, 45 minutes
Oh my
because
God.
of the ego issues, basically,
Oh.
between the bride side and groom side.
But like what were the ego issues on?
Yeah, I mean, the groom's mother was angry that, like, nobody's paying attention to
She didn't
her.
get the importance.
Yeah, she didn't get the
deserved.
importance. She was like,
Was she the one getting married? Like,
yeah,
what the
it's
hell?
normally like that. Like
I
how
wish
much
she
ever
could
we
say that.
deny it, it happens. Like,
There
you
are
know?
more momzillas than bridezillas.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah,
my
I absolutely
God.
agree.
So what's that concept? Momzillas and bridezillas?
So the concept is that bridezillas are basically brides turned into godzillas, which is basically all their tantrums. But so that's a terminology that came up. But I think as the 60s are the new 40s, 50s are the new 30s.
Right.
So now the mothers are the ones who are have more
Exactly.
tantrums
Than the bride
brides
itself.
themselves. So those are tricky situations.
So
to have.
recently, I had like somebody's mom who was planning everything, and for the entire time, my team was thinking it's her wedding. Like there was so much of her name everywhere.
Yeah.
Even she booked a suite in the same hotel as a new couple.
Yeah, I had one
And
where-
my team was thinking she's the bride. I mean, I was like, no, she's the
You should have
mom.
asked a trick question ना कि आंटी आप कहाँ जाओगे honeymoon के लिए? So
It almost happened like that.
She would have gone also with the
she
couple.
would have gone. Yeah.
In fact, the bride's mother booked her makeup artist, the fancier one, way
Are you
before the
serious?
bride
Same,
also booked.
same, yeah.
Way before the bride booked her.
Everything was fancier.
मग माझ्या लग्नात नाही झालं मला हे करता नाही आलं तुझ्या
Correct.
बाबांबरोबर. असं
Oh, so
होतं.
let me live my dream.
Let me
Yeah.
live my dream through yours.
My daughter's wedding is something I've lived for. I mean, these
हाँ,
are
of
typical
course, of course.
replies that
So
come
फेरे भी
back.
ले लो अभी कर लो जो करना है do it.
हम तो बोल भी देते हैं आप ही लग रहे हो कपल आप भी ले लो फेरे.
आपका भी फोटोग्राफी करवाते हैं.
Renew your vows
हाँ,
or
of
whatever
course.
they call it.
But
It's तो
and
चाहिए,
about
yeah.
photography and all, what do you all think about that? Yeah? Because nowadays I think it's a more of a video or the album that is coming out. Like you'll have this pre-wedding photography, post-wedding
And
photography
reels.
during.
So
I was
many
just going to
reels.
say-
Reels. And
Yeah.
I've also heard that there are couples who are taking photographers on their honeymoon as well.
What?
Yes. they
Yeah.
Okay, I've
book the-
luckily not had
Yeah,
someone like
yeah.
Or
that.
is it like a
I
pre-wedding
had-
shoot?
No, on honeymoon.
Pre-wedding shoot
I had somebody who had appointed a photographer
For the
till
honeymoon?
Yeah.
Till the honeymoon.
Wow.
And at Maldives.
Yeah.
What?
Wow.
But what do they shoot? I mean, I'm just curious. What do you shoot on the honeymoon? Like,
That's वो गए उनके साथ ही वो
उनके
स्टोरी
साथ।
करी.
right.
But
That happens.
what do you all
Yeah.
think?
No, I think what I honestly feel you should not create moments for the photos. Candid photos are good. You should just go with the flow and let the photographer do their job. And I think they can capture the essence of it. And you should not fake it all the time. Of course, you can pose. I mean,
Right.
posing is good, but not all the time. Like you cannot do the fairas again
Yeah.
just for the
Acha,
photos
okay.
or something like that. You hire a good photographer who won't miss a thing. That's what you can do, I feel.
Yeah, I have
There's
a fun
a
question.
war these days though between photographers and the real guys.
Huh.
There's like this constant competition because
Yeah.
everyone wants to be on Instagram. So we actually have proper meetings now with a real team and the photography team and and of course the family, saying, "Bhai, please figure your who's going to capture what."
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So that exactly the essence of the moment is not lost.
Right.
You had something.
And,
Yeah, I had a fun question which just popped up. Has there ever been a situation when either of the groom or bride's exes just like, entered the venue and tried to stop the wedding, but yeah, there's some gossip going on about that person having dated that person earlier or ऐसा कुछ?
So I in fact had this really interesting wedding where the couple's guest list had their exes in it, and especially the girls, and we had converted the Sangeet into a roast. So the
Wow.
whole theme of the Sangeet was a roast.
That is so cool.
And 3 of the exes were roasting the bride. And it was insanely mad fun. I mean, really like forward thinking and very woke
Yeah.
couple to
Hey, I
have
want
been able
that.
to do that.
But I want to roast my exes and tell them this is why I did not get married to you.
Yeah, so there were
Yeah.
all those stories
Yeah.
that came
Yeah.
up, and it was the coolest family though. Like,
But if you're
really
sport
cool
enough, why
family.
not?
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah, they
if
did
you're
it.
cordial.
That's why it's very important to stay friends with your
Those-
exes.
the,
No, I think in our case, there was this engagement happening, and there was this family pandit who was performing the ritual of the engagement, and he was still not used to the new girl in his life, and he said the ex's name
wow.
on stage, and everybody was laughing. Thankfully, the new, like the fiance, was laughing too, and it did not
She was
turn
Like
Oh
an
my
into
God.
episode in Friends, you know,
Friends,
Ross
exactly.
takes,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
Rachel
yeah.
But
Friends
here
takes.
friend
the
situation.
Panditji
Yeah.
took the wrong name.
Oh, shit.
Because he knew them
Ah,
for a
yeah,
long
yeah,
time.
yeah.
I mean, it was quite funny, but I think it did not turn
Do
ugly.
those marriages
funny.
last? I mean,
Yeah,
they're
yeah,
roasting
they are
and-
happily married now, thankfully.
They are, yeah.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
roasting
And
was-
any marriages that you have put your heart in, everything, the budget, done everything for them, and they've not worked out. The marriages. have
That's not
worked
their
out.
concern. They made money out of it. उसके बाद जो हो
I know,
वो.
No, of course we feel
But like I
bad.
said, second wedding discount.
Yeah, no, of course.
That's
I
actually
think
a very good strategy.
It's a very good strategy, yeah.
we do feel bad, but I mean, life happens. So
Yeah,
we can't-
but you kind of gauge it, you know,
yeah.
during the planning.
Exactly.
I know that most good couples also have a war at
Yeah.
the planning stage. It's
Right.
something that I always say that, why please don't fight, just figure your stuff out. But there's going to be a fight in the planning process. So, but you know the difference between a tantrumy couple and like the one that's going to last.
Right.
But who creates the most chaos in a wedding? Is it the couple who's getting married, their immediate families, or the guests who are not involved but they just want to have some?
It's
Or the parents.
It's
Or
the,
the parents, yeah.
relatives
It's a relatives.
Ah.
who
Close
weren't around and who suddenly want to be like, hey, I did so much at your wedding.
Yeah.
Ah.
So they will come and they will try to look for a fault and they'll be like, अच्छा ये फूल ना अच्छे से नहीं है, पुराने फूल लग रहे हैं, एक दिन पुराने फूल लग रहे हैं. And then they'll go and tell the family, and then the family, and if they're not, if they're the kind of people who will
Ah.
not be
Yeah.
patient and just erupt.
Yeah.
फिर तो सबकी उस दिन, those are the ones who create the most.
Yeah, I
amount.
think it's sometimes it's bride's sister also. Like she thinks she's calling the shots for her sister, and like she becomes more important than anybody else. It's like some mama from the groom side. Like
Mostly
somebody
relatives.
wants to have that importance. I mean, they grab the attention and they try to create the chaos.
Yeah.
I don't think it's couple or the parents.
I think a lot of
because-
weddings also break because of this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's not even about the two who
Also,
are getting
also
married.
Instagram and Pinterest.
Tell us more
The
about
thing that causes the most amount of
Yeah.
chaos in all our
Yeah.
lives
How?
is because they feel like everything they see on Pinterest and Instagram is going to be real,
Real,
and is
yeah.
going to be able to happen at their wedding, which is not always possible for various reasons.
Yeah. See,
But
getting
that also.
inspired is one thing, and like
Realistically
imitating
speaking, it's not
everything from
possible.
there
Yes.
is madness.
Yeah, because I've seen recently, after I think Virat Anushka's wedding, even like the dresses and all, the people are using more white. So I saw meme or
Pastels,
pastels
yeah.
rather, yeah. And now it's like the colors have gone out of the weddings, and people want a lot of pastels.
After that
themes.
was Alia's wedding. So then
Alia's
people
wedding.
there was a shift. There was a paradigm
Yeah.
shift from that loud makeup, loud eyes to now
Correct.
nude makeup. Like there's been, people are influenced so
And
easily.
even about those fake photos which couples are like, ha 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 ha, काय असं यज्ञ चल रहा है and that.
I don't know about
But
that.
I see those
got
all
blinded.
weddings, yeah, all
Yeah,
Vicky,
fake
Katrina,
candidates.
Acha, हाँ,
all
हाँ.
fake candidates that they
Oh
have.
yeah.
So what's about that? Like, I mean, how do you all feel when that's happening? Like, काय तमाशा है?
Actually, we could be judgy about it, but now when I look back at my own wedding, I kind of look at my husband and say, why didn't you do all this? You just didn't do it. Why weren't you ready to do all
Same.
these
Yeah.
fake pictures? Because I don't have very good pictures like that.
Same.
and
I
know.
feel the same. Like I feel that
So-
I should have planned my own wedding and did all this.
But I think
Good things, of course.
how many years are you married?
I've been married for 7 years.
7 years.
13.
13, 11.
Wow.
So I think at Our wedding, I think there was no.
How were
concept of
your
pre-wedding
weddings like?
shoot.
How were your
Like,
weddings
pretty
like?
simple. I
Mine was
mean,
pretty simple. Like there was a DJ, there was a
DJ,
menu,
there was everything.
there was everything, but it
Yeah.
was pretty simple.
Yeah,
But it
I'm
was
from-
not a Instagram
She
marriage.
belongs to
I think-
Punjabi
I think
family, so
Punjabi
Both of
family,
us
that would
attended
have
each
made
other's
it
Exactly.
marriages,
Marriage,
and
yeah.
it's
Yeah,
quite
yeah.
simple.
nice.
Yeah.
So, but it was simple, classy, because Rucha did most of the planning, and I just had to sit there and not
Be involved in
be
your wedding,
involved
like just
or
that.
look involved,
Yeah.
and not stress on anything. But it was not more Instagrammy kind of a thing
Yeah.
that time, because nowadays you see there's an editor actually editing reels as the
Yeah.
Correct.
footage is
Correct.
coming out. I
Yeah.
mean, before the fairas happen, the reel should go out in an hour or something like that.
I
There's a
think
lot more pressure on that now,
Yeah.
on everyone to do that.
there's a lot more. But I think good thing has happened, especially post COVID. People have started inviting less people, and people are okay with that.
Intimate weddings.
In my wedding, I had like 800, 900 people, and I don't even know who was there and who
She's
was
just
not.
said it was a simple wedding.
No, but like it was a simple, like there was nothing.
800 people.
The wedding was
No,
simple.
but
A lot of
simple
people were
wedding.
involved
But
in that.
these days, people are putting thought in what they do. They're inviting people who matter. I think that's a good thing to have. I wish
Yeah.
I would have
I
married.
think it's no longer about that spending capacity.
Yeah.
It's more about who is it that I want to be at
In the
my
wedding.
wedding. I don't want
It's a
just
good
random
thing.
people.
So in fact, surprisingly and pleasantly surprisingly, this year I'm doing 3 weddings this season, and all 3 couples are actually doing a wedding with only 70 to 80 people.
Yeah, it's
And
so
then
cool.
they're doing a wedding for everyone else. So there is a
Acha.
Jaymala for the
Yeah.
mass. There is mass as in whatever 400 people. There is a separate wedding, but the vows, the actual meaning, they're actually doing it on a separate day altogether with lesser number of people.
So now,
I
in,
think-
in hindsight, do you think you would have done your weddings differently? Or
Yeah,
no?
definitely.
Yeah.
I would have loved to
Yeah.
do something like
You-
this.
I love my wedding.
But as wedding
It's
planning,
pretty recent, I
See,
would
no,
say.
it's the cultural thing. She's a Punjabi. She has to have
Yeah.
that, you
No,
know.
but for me, also being a Punjabi, I had only 180 people at my wedding.
Oh, that's not too
So
bad.
that was not bad,
Yeah.
but we went all out with the 180 people.
Yeah.
We had a sangeet, we did the dances, we did everything.
Everything was-
And I did 2 weddings in one day. So I did a Sikh wedding in the morning and a Hindu wedding in the evening. That's the
Night,
one
rather.
thing I would have
Without the IV drips, mind you.
without the IV drips.
Without
yes.
Without the
Yeah.
Yes. So
That's
So I think it has also started happening because a lot of people are staying abroad and they don't get to spend time with their families.
Right.
So the couple especially, they want to come here. They want to spend quality time with their family and friends at their wedding. So they go to a resort or something like just 80, 100 people or something like that. And they spend 2 or 3 days doing activities together and like having fun and not just one ritual after the other, one event after the other. I think that's a good thing.
Good thing.
It has happened because of that. Because lot of people are staying abroad these days.
also
like
I
lot
think
of our clients
more
are-
often than not, what happens is like I would like to get married in a very unconventional way, but when it comes to our older generation, they're like, "Nahi, but we had gone to their daughter's wedding, we had gone to
Correct.
their son's wedding, so they have to be there at your wedding." And so it's mostly to please
Please.
the
No, I
people
think
and
you
very
can
little
go
to
on
do
it's about
that.
reception
living in a
dinner,
society.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, we're but yeah, you can do a reception for everyone.
Exactly, for everybody. Like
Yeah.
a very small intimate wedding,
Right.
a venue of your choice between the bride and the groom. No other person has any opinion on that. And then give a massive reception to invite everybody, whoever you want.
Right. No,
That would be
and
pretty cool.
Let's talk about the biggest wedding that is happening right now, the Udaipur
Oh.
wedding. So I want some takes from
Insight.
you all, yeah, inside or about the decoration, about the food, or the recent Ambani wedding that we all saw, and which was flooded on my Instagram for a week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, so no, the Udaipur wedding was done by the best in the industry. Whether it was the planners with like witchcraft and bringing in
What
the
was
best
the budget
designers.
like for them? Do you have any idea?
Couple of thousand crores, I
Yeah,
guess.
I did it. I'm sure.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, you
Yeah.
get a Tiesto and a J-Lo and black coffee to one event, one wedding. And you have all of Bollywood dancing.
Yeah.
At
It was like an award show.
book my show is
almost,
crying in
yeah.
the corner.
But I think, yeah, I mean, if you have money, why not?
Yeah.
So my question to both of you is: have you ever witnessed or have you ever participated actively in an ongoing gossip between the two families? Like I know there has been a time where my mama came up to me and was like, what is this food? It's so bad. And that groom's family was literally standing next to him, and he did not know that they were their side.
There,
I'm like,
yeah.
don't, because it's their order, you know, like we are not really
Yeah,
the ones
I mean,
to
to say-
get the catering people in. Like it was their decision. They were just like looking at us and like, don't. This is the groom's side. This is not from us.
Definitely, we are a part of that entire gossip thing, either from bride side or groom side sometimes, and we have to be very diplomatic.
Yeah.
But we get to know a lot of insider things.
Yeah.
I mean, like anything, like they are not happy with this marriage, like the parents are not happy with the marriage. But abhi kya karna hai? They both have decided, and how the other side is not punctual, and like how they are cheap. All of that. Like we get to know चिंदी आहेत. Like सगळं आम्हीच करायचं का? खरं तर मी तर म्हणजे आम्ही मुलाकडेच म्हणजे आम्ही एक्सपेक्ट करायला पाहिजे. Like all that. Like
All this happens. हम तो
this
लड़के
happens.
वाले हैं, अब उनको देखने दो.
And we have to be like, yeah. I mean, you can't take anyone's side there, but we are active part of.
Very. I had this one father. We were in the discussion, and the daughter was constantly back answering. The mother looks at us and is, तुम लोग ही डील करना, हाँ, तुमको blood pressure मुबारक हो. And then he just looks at her and he's like, thank God इसकी शादी हो रही है.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and another funny thing was get to know insights of everyone, right? All the dirty secrets come out, who gets along with who, doesn't get along with who, it all comes out in front of us. So we are also playing shrink all the time.
Oh, yeah.
कि
Yeah.
अच्छा नहीं
Yeah,
सुन
yeah.
लो,
More of a counselor.
more like a counselor, or just witnessing funny things. Yeah, like I had this actual debriefing after the wedding with the parents of the parents of the bride. सब लोग चले गए थे, check out हो गया था. We were sitting and just chilling and just talking about the wedding, what happened and everything. The father was like, Namani, so who went to whose room after the wedding, during the wedding? Do you have any goss on this? And I was like, yes, we do, because obviously there are singles.
Yeah.
There are a lot of
Lot of
singles,
things
and a lot of people get hooked up at weddings, right?
Yeah.
So we know those secrets as well. There was this one time also, I think we were doing a clearance, okay, at an after party, and this is, it was really funny. One of my boys came to me and he got this one packet, okay. He came to me and he's like, ma'am, ye koi bhul gaya, and he just picks up the packet and it was a white powdered packet.
Wow.
And after a bit, I'm like, listen, isko phek de, you know, just like throw it away. I don't know where, I don't even know if I should report it or anything. Suddenly one guy comes like, मैं ना कुछ भूल गया.
Oh shit.
What we did was we just like, I just told him, तू जाके ना उस टेबल पे रख दे, फिर वो जाने.
Oh my God.
Like
That's
literally.
crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah, so there are just so many things we see. People, you know who's going to end up with who in a wedding.
Yeah.
And we lay bets also. अच्छा ये लोग साथ में होंगे
ये
कि
लोग
नहीं
साथ-
होंगे? Are they
That's
going to get
speculation.
become a
Yeah,
wedding?
yeah.
Are they going to have a wedding together? Maybe they're hooking up.
And in some after parties, the groom is sloshed and the bride is not happy about it. And they're fighting at 4 a.m. in the morning, like, you know, this is our first night. And like, it was a post-wedding party. And she was absolutely furious because he was sloshed and he was not in his senses. And she was, I don't know what she was expecting, but it was a big fight. And
She had
we were like counseling them.
Yeah,
It
Some
was very
misconception about the
awkward.
first
Yeah.
night.
Yeah.
You know, all I did
No,
in the
but that
first night
was-
was remove pins from Rucha's hair. My God, I mean, there was
Oh my God,
300
yes.
pins there. I fell asleep by the 250th only, I think.
But that is reality.
That is
Yeah, exactly.
No, I mean, the hype
That is
about the first
reality.
night and all. Dude, सुबह
No, but
उठ के
it's
फिर
like
से कुछ
she
पूजा
was
होता
just
है.
It happens
tired.
a lot. This
Yeah.
happens a lot where the husbands, not just the grooms, but like husbands in general, are like having this fun
Fun.
and dancing with somebody else.
Yeah.
And then the wives are like, hello, time हो गया है.
चलो,
चलो,
शादी
यहाँ
अपनी
से.
है. शादी अपनी है.
नहीं मैं तो आंटीज अंकल्स मामा मामियों की बात कर रही हूँ.
अच्छा, वो
That happens a
क्या
lot.
हाँ, I don't know if you ever got this request, but I got this really funny request when I had just started ना, और मैं थोड़ी भोली थी, मुझे नहीं समझ आता था ये सब. And the uncles are sitting with me and saying, Namani, ये सब तो ठीक है, डेकोर सब ठीक है, ये वो, थोड़ी ना मिठाई ले आना.
What does that mean?
थोड़ी ना अच्छी
Stripper.
वाली मिठाई ले आना. And then they're winking at each other and then
Stripper.
मिठाई ले आना. नहीं, not thankfully not
Russians.
stripper.
Okay, okay.
But like just eye candy.
Russians. Oh,
Russians,
अच्छा, eye candies,
Russians,
ah.
eye candy.
Oh.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, कौन सी मिठाई चाहिए? कहाँ से दादू से लाऊं? कहाँ से लाऊं?
चितरे.
बटले से लाऊं?
But did you? Yeah.
Sorry?
Did you manage
Did
to?
you manage?
No, I mean, of course, eventually I got to know they wanted foreign acts. So we did get foreign acts.
Okay.
Of course, not strippers.
Of course.
They won't indulge in these
Nobody
things.
knows what goes on after that.
But no. We make sure that our artists come and they are safe
Leave.
and they are dropped to
Correct,
their rooms.
Right.
correct,
After that, what
correct.
Yeah,
happens,
that's
we
so
don't know.
important.
Yeah,
Yeah,
seriously.
exactly.
I mean that does happen. I mean,
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I've heard in the recent, I mean, it was true or not. There was this wedding planner who told me that there was this artist that they had called. It was a foreign artist, and the bride had requested that, like, I want that artist there. And the next morning, they found the bride coming out of that
That artist's
Artist
room.
Oh my god.
and then everybody had to manage it so that the groom side don't find it out. And it was a wedding in North, I mean.
I'm sure it happens in some weddings. I haven't
I
seen
saw it
it.
in Made in Heaven.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even I've seen that.
Yeah.
I love that series.
Like we are talking about the artist. So I have this interesting thing. We had a wedding in Bombay, and it was a very well-known family over there, and like big wedding, lot of people, and but it was quite annoying for us for several reasons. And then there is like a discussion for the reception. Amitabh is coming, and we were like, oh, we are not prepared. Like I don't know. It was a panic in our team, like how we want to make it nice and safe for him, and like so nobody should bother him and all that. Amitabh is coming, and all of that. And we are all set that he's coming, and the duplicate comes. He comes for the reception. He comes, he sings songs, Mere Angane Mein and all that. Aunties are clicking pictures with him, and the groom doesn't know.
Wow.
His father's friends or somebody has organized it, and he was furious. He was scolding me, how did you let this happen? I was like, I had no idea. And he was furious. He got off the stage, he fought with his dad. And we had to tell that duplicate Amitabh that it's time
Thank
to
you,
go.
sir.
Thank
Bhai
you.
Salah. Bas ho
It
gaya.
was maddening. I mean, we are all excited and stressed.
Sad at the same time.
Yeah. And it was like, what?
I've been
And
to
he
wedding.
comes with that 8 bouncers and all, and like
The
people
fake
are
one
clicking.
also?
Yeah. He people were clicking pictures like crazy. And he was not stopping only at reception, he's singing. And the bride
The
was
singing
so
thing is
awkward.
another story. Yeah, people mic nahi dena chahiye. They
Yeah, they go on.
Yeah.
And you don't know Besra ga rahe hain, and then it's difficult because he's like this Taya ji who's like 80 something.
Huh, and they want to sing.
They
And they're
want to
very
sing.
enthused about
And
these
sometimes they
things.
start telling their stories also.
हाँ.
Okay, in my time we didn't have this, and then though it goes on and on.
Yeah.
And on.
अरे माइक नहीं देना चाहिए से मुझे इंसिडेंस याद आ गया है. So there was a wedding between Marathi bride and North Indian groom, and there were 2 panditjis, and this Maharashtrian panditji did everything, like all the fairas and everything was done, and the North Indian panditji was upset that he stole the show. मेरे को कुछ नहीं मिला. He was stealing the mic from him. He was not giving. And like we had to calm them down, like it's over now, the wedding has happened in whichever way. And the North Indian pandit was like, अभी मुझे वो ऊपर माइक है उसमें रामचरित पढ़ना है, at least वो मुझे दे दो. And we had this performer there, and we could not give him mic, and he was upset. So we had this unplugged session.
Oh my God.
For Pandit ji, he was doing some. I mean,
Yeah.
it was-
Yeah, Pandit ji wars are a thing.
Pandit ji was
Pandit
another
ji
thing.
is
They are a
like
thing.
he's the
So I attended this wedding. It was and like all the people in the wedding were like very modern, woke, except they forgot that the Pandit ji we are calling is not. Okay, and so it was a Marwadi wedding, and the Pandit ji was very traditional, and he started giving all the life gyan to the bride. कि आपको क्या करना है शादी में, how you should respect the parents, father-in-law, उनकी खुशी and all that. And the bride got so pissed. But उसको दिख रहा था उसके चेहरे से, she's getting like very uneasy about that.
Yeah.
What do you all do in that? How do you all handle the Pandit ji there?
Right now, in fact, we have this one wedding that we are planning, जहाँ पे the bride wanted a female pandit,
Okay.
and she was like, मुझे ये कन्यादान नहीं करना है.
That's a request we get.
We get a
quite
lot.
of times.
So, and then we had the Bhattji from the boys' side because they're Maharashtrian. It's a Marwadi Maharashtrian wedding. And they are literally at war right now And eventually the Maharashtrian Pandit ji has said कि आप बोल दो ब्राइड को कि ये सब नहीं चलने वाला, ये तुम अपना यूएस जाके करो जो तुम्हें करना है, ये विधि तो मेरी तरीके से ही होगी, आपको एक दो चीजें करनी है तो आप कर लो. So literally we've had to pacify them because he said I'm going to walk out of this wedding and you can do this wedding on your own.
Yeah.
But I'm just trying to understand, like, why are people taking stand on something like this? I mean,
You mean
Especially
why
for
not to
Kanyadan.
you,
No.
you mean why not to do a Kanyadan?
I mean, what is
They
the thing
feel
about
that daughter is not an object to give or to donate.
Which I think it's okay to be questioned.
It's okay.
And
I
I
mean,
feel
But you know, the ceremony of a Kanyadan is wrongly named that
yeah,
way.
exactly.
It's
It's a
actually
very
not
good
that.
ritual.
It's
I
actually a very nice ritual of saying that the two. It's actually called Pani Grahan. It's not called Kanyadan.
Oh.
So there is a
Okay.
whole story behind that.
What's the story?
eventually. You wanna explain?
No, please go
I don't
ahead.
know it that much. Huh?
No, but
I just know
Right.
that it's not actually
Donating.
your daughter, which is what I think half the generation, our
Perceives it to
generation
be.
thinks it is. It's actually getting the two united, and there is this thing where pani dalte hain to unite the two, the couple, basically,
Okay.
the
So
bride
now
and
our
the
daughter
groom.
is your daughter. kind
Yes,
of a
our
thing.
daughter is your daughter.
Yeah.
We are like kind of your son is my son, my daughter is your daughter.
Yeah.
So that is the actual thing. So if you people, if the our generation actually thinks about it and looks at it properly, then they're not going to objectify it and think of it as a
Correct.
patriarchal.
Yeah.
And then there's
as
one
a
more thing, right?
patriarchal ritual.
Where I think the bride's mom or parents have to wash the groom's feet or something
Correct.
like that.
Yeah.
So I think I won't be comfortable with that also.
But
like,
then, yeah.
I don't
also-
Why? I mean, लक्ष्मी के पैर भी तो धोते हैं
धोते
ना.
हैं.
नहीं
It's
मेरे भी
both
मत धो
sides.
मतलब लड़की के भी मत करो. I'm saying कि why are we
See,
not?
if you understand the actual meaning behind it, you won't have a problem with it. What happens is, over a period of time, in translation, the actual
gets
meaning
lost.
is lost. So if you go back and look at the actual meaning of it, you will find sense in it. I think.
I mean, yeah, it's,
Of course,
it's
there are
okay to
some-
question.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
I
it's
think
okay to
most of the
question.
If you
people don't
understand,
question it. They
then-
blindly follow most of the traditions.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the problem. Like, including myself. Like, if I see it in the first go, my parents doing something of
Right.
that sort, like washing my husband's feet, I'm like, why are you doing that? Like, I wouldn't appreciate
The
his
husband will
parents
wash
doing
your feet throughout the life after
that.
marriage.
No, I'll wash my new washers.
See, there,
No, but
there
I
may be
think-
certain traditions that
Yeah.
are still like very age old and should change over time.
Yeah.
But some of them have a good.
Have a good
Yeah.
meaning, and we do this briefing meetings
We do
with Pandit ji and the couple and what to do and what not, especially for the weddings where we have somebody not from India and
Like intercaste
like
weddings.
intercaste or like you know
International.
we
Yeah.
had this
Nationality
like
weddings.
we had a wedding where we had a Jew person and he was not very fond of swastik. Of course. So we had to tell Pandit ji that you cannot use it. Ultimately, on Antarpat, we saw a swastik and he was fine with it. But we tried from our
To
side
help
that, you know,
understand- make him
to-
understand, yeah.
Like somebody
Yeah.
should not be uncomfortable.
Right,
And
right,
eventually,
of
there are two
course.
cultures coming together,
Yeah.
so both have to respect each other.
Right. And this happens like you have to do this briefing meeting and decide what rituals to do, what not to do,
Correct.
what are your religious beliefs. But the Pandit ji is always like, ये नहीं करना है तो मत करो. हम तो करवा के ही रहेंगे.
Exactly.
But I think it should be the people who are getting married, their
They should talk
choice,
to the
right? Like
Pandit
they
ji.
should talk to the Pandit ji that we don't, like our principles or whatever we feel, our opinions do not align with what you do. So can you do this instead?
Yeah.
Correct.
Or can you eliminate this entirely? Because
Yeah.
even if I've read about it, I'm not
don't
entirely
believe in
happy.
it. Yeah.
I don't believe in it. And if I don't believe in it, why would I do it?
Yeah, or I don't want a 4-hour ritual. यार एक घंटे
Yeah.
में खत्म
But I
करो.
mean, I question
Maybe like that.
a lot
अभी
of
बहुत-
तो
traditions.
अलग ही
also.
चीज है. हाँ, पंडित जी को देके 40 मिनट में करा लो.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
पंडित जी से मैं कैसे करूँ यार?
ये 2 घंटे का है, मैं नहीं कर सकता 40 मिनट में.
Important mantra bolo. Because even I was trying to do that in my wedding. I told
No, but I think things have changed.
हाँ.
Now,
Yeah.
4 hours तो नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ.
2 घंटे में 1.5-2 घंटे में खत्म हो जाता है. And Pandit ji are also trying to understand like what are the expectations and even the couple are adjusting. I think it is more open now, open dialogue between the.
In fact, all of us, like even my wedding, I had a pandit ji who explained everything to us in English because, I mean,
Yeah.
how many of us understand Sanskrit?
Correct.
Yeah.
So he explained everything to us in English, and a lot of them
Yeah.
are also very sweet. They'll give that photograph. They'll be like, "अच्छा, अभी ना आपका moment है. अच्छा, दोनों
हाँ,
उधर देखो."
yeah. We get very good pandits
So
also.
you know,
Right.
that is also happening
Yeah.
because they're also
Correct.
being like, there are friendly ones also.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
and
like
we
not
have
strict
pandits who
ones.
know German, who know French.
Wow.
So it has become easier. Now I'm doing a Korean wedding. We don't have a Korean pandit yet,
Pandit,
but
yeah.
we have got involved
Translator.
translator,
Nice.
and
Wow.
like it is helping to understand the Indian rituals.
One trend that you all feel should stop in the Indian wedding, and one expectation that you need to tell the couples who are getting married, कि भाई बंद करो इसको. Something that you all feel as wedding planners.
Just following trends blindly without understanding your budgets and practicality. Just stop doing that.
Stop doing that.
I think one trend which I personally don't like is video invites. I feel it is like the when bride and groom are talking and sending video invites. I feel it is not needed. Ultimately, you need to have that static image where
Image,
all the
yeah.
information is
It's
written,
there.
where I can refer to what time, what is happening.
Pause.
Exactly. So I don't like that trend that much, and I feel in terms of expectations, uh, they have to be okay that somebody else is calling shots for them. Somebody else is taking decisions for them. They cannot take decisions till the time of the wedding, and you have involved a planner. You have to put trust in them, and you have to let them take decisions for you. And we are not going to take bad decisions for them.
Exactly.
Never.
I mean, they see. So ultimately, it becomes like we are reporting to them.
Yeah.
To please
Correct.
them.
So I think they
You have
should
come
be
to us to
okay.
trust us.
Yeah, they should be okay with
the fact
this.
that we are on one side.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
are on your side.
This is very-
We
and-
want, in fact, we want the wedding to go smoothly, seamlessly, way more than
More
you.
than-
Isn't that why you hired them in the first place? Like you're paying them for their expertise. Then why do you want to
Exactly.
interfere in something that they're doing?
No, again, that's
No,
a-
but just the fact that we wanted to go seamlessly more than you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because ultimately it's on their reputation also as a wedding planner, right?
Exactly.
So one of my photographer friend, he told me a very funny kissa. So he was like, we did this big wedding, and the dad, the bride's dad, calls him up because the bride had booked the photographer. So he was like, "What kind of photos you have taken?" He's like, "Sir, we've taken all good as we were told." He's like, "No, you've seen all the photos where nobody's looking in the camera."
Huh.
So because they were all candid photos.
Yeah. Oh God.
So the uncle didn't understand only till the end कि no, you should have taken at least few photos where people
ये
are
तो
facing the
मेरी
camera.
शादी में भी हुआ है.
अच्छा.
Where
हाँ.
I briefed with my photographer. This was again very early stages of my planning business as well. So I didn't have enough experience. So I told the कि आप candid लेना. My mother's like the same thing. She's like, I don't have any family pictures. There are no
Yeah.
pictures from your wedding. I said, चलो तीसरी शादी भी कर लेते हैं. Same ही बंदे से, same ही बंदे से.
Yeah, so we actually tell couples that if you have more than 100 people coming into for the meet and greet session or something, just click photos with everybody.
do traditional
Just
photography.
yeah, because if they start mingling around, it becomes chaotic. जो टाइम स्टेज पे 1 मिनट का होता है वो 5 मिनट का हो जाता है नीचे जाके. So we encourage them to click photos, do the family portraits, do the group photos, and come down, because people don't
Correct.
want to do that traditional style of reception, but it works actually, so that everybody is captured, everybody is happy that they
I
met
think
the bride and groom.
AI might really help.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
AI?
So many videos which my parents think are real, and I'm like, no, this is AI. So they can
Yeah.
confuse them.
Yeah.
I mean, AI is scary.
Yeah.
AI is very scary.
Yeah, we get these photos done in AI, and they see the light arrangements and the decor and everything, and we know that it is just
Right.
not possible.
I actually have to tell people in Pinterest, this is AI.
This is AI, yeah, exactly.
But only the experts can distinguish. Otherwise, for people like my parents or I think my friends also might get confused whether it's AI or
of
it's
course,
real,
it's very
right?
deceiving.
I have
also
actually,
helps.
Yeah.
I have actually seen Damini draw a design, like with her hand, with a pencil and a paper, draw a beautiful design, and the exact same thing she has replicated in the decor. Like there was no change
There
in
was
the.
no
so
AI
I think I think there is no AI, and we
Yeah.
don't need AI in these cases. So I think this is how it should go.
Yeah.
Like
Some things
you
AI just
draw
can't take
it,
over.
you vision, like you have a vision, and it is there. You don't need AI for this.
Wow.
Yeah.
But what is the newest trend in the weddings? Because you all are more part of it. We when we are attending weddings, we don't get to see that. What is the newest trend that is coming to the market right now?
The
that you wanna,
newest
like-
trend is to do boiler room setups in after parties at weddings.
Wow.
Yeah. Everyone wants a boiler room setup. Let's do that. Even though they may not know what it is.
Yeah.
But just boiler room chahiye hame boiler room.
Have you done any?
I'm doing one.
Oh, that's nice.
So yeah, that's there.
Have the matcha cakes.
The matchas,
Ignore.
the kunafas, all of that
Yeah.
is
Matchas had to happen though.
Gluten-free, I think only one wedding they had requested gluten-free desserts and all of that.
Okay,
Like we
wow.
had a stall with gluten-free things.
But again, in India, in Pune, in India also, a lot of people are like, oh, we want this exotic thing, we want that exotic thing. In the London wedding I did,
Huh.
you know what we had? We had dal bhati churma, we had pav bhaji, we had dal dhokri because they were a
Traditional
Gujarati family. The most traditional thing without any, paraphernalia to it, like nothing.
Yeah.
I was about to
So
say
they've
that.
gone back to
yeah.
their roots,
Yeah.
and
So
here
we
we're
are
doing
globalized.
this and
Yeah,
that and
I
all
think
of
the
that.
Pangat
sit
pattern,
down
yeah,
dinner
yeah,
or
yeah.
lunches are coming back and people want to do it. Like they want to sit comfortably. Somebody serving them. It is coming
Yeah,
back
it's
in
coming
trend.
back.
And I feel that hotels or the caterers should be more flexible with this. Because sometimes, properties like JW Marriott or
Yeah,
Ritz,
they're
they are
quite
not very,
stringent.
they charge a lot for sit-down lunches. They have their own reasons for that. But I think if it is coming back to our lives, we should encourage this.
Since we're talking about
Yeah.
trends, have you done gay weddings?
I haven't done.
Or ceremony,
I
since
don't
they're
know,
illegal,
LGBT,
but
community
yeah.
weddings.
Ceremony per se, because it's not
Community
legal. But
ceremonies,
yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, I
would
mean,
love
it's
to
not
do
legal in the country, so we've done ceremonies, we've done parties, we've done, and absolutely happy to do more and more of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do
I'm
they
sure
throw
it would
more
have come with
tantrums
zero
than-
chaos. No, I'm sure it's
They
zero
throw-
chaos with
They have more, at least the one that I've done, I think both have equal say.
Yeah.
They're on the same page.
They're on the
Yeah.
same page. But again, like any other couple, yeah, I mean, one could have a different, they're like any other couple.
Any other couple.
Honestly,
Yeah,
there's
sure.
nothing so different. But it could be more fun though.
Yeah, pretty
Yeah.
No, but tell
I
me
would
your
love to
experience. Don't generalize it.
My experience has been good because they both were equally invested in terms of the decor. Both had equal says. Unlike most non-LGBTQA couples, where the guys have lesser say and the women have more say in terms of the decor and the aesthetics. But here, both had equal say.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sure it was interesting.
Yeah.
It was very
You've done
interesting.
any community wedding?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
So let's begin with our next round, which is the rapid fire. Dami, let's start with you.
Yes.
Big fat Indian wedding or intimate luxury wedding?
Intimate luxury wedding with a big fat budget.
Good answer.
Yeah.
Okay, bridezilla or groomzilla? Who is scarier?
I think Bridezilla, we have got used to it. Groomzilla is scarier. Right. We are
also
unknown
agree.
waters.
I
Yeah.
agree with
Yeah.
Okay, best city for weddings in India?
Udaipur.
I can agree. I see so many beautiful reels.
It's beautiful.
For you? If the same question.
I think Udaipur, yes, but I love Goa also. Yeah.
Beach wedding. Overrated trend.
Overrated trend, I would say, again, video invites.
Video invites.
That's like not my thing.
I don't like color bombs. I hate them.
Color bombs.
You know those colors going at the back? I
So
hate them.
apparently they are pretty detrimental.
Yeah,
Somebody,
I saw
Yeah,
a
yeah,
video
yeah.
recently.
the bride, she got
And the
burnt.
hydrogen balloons.
Oh, yeah, the hydrogen balloon.
Yeah.
Who's putting hydrogen? Are there helium balloons?
No idea.
Actually, it's what happens. I'll tell you the technicality later. It's a boring answer.
But you can tell us right now. It's okay.
Yeah.
So basically, when you go to the normal market and you say helium, hydrogen is actually cheaper than helium. So the balloon guys put hydrogen in it.
It
That's
should be
why
helium.
hotels now ask you for a proper certification. It should actually be helium, which is not flammable.
God, I saw that reel where
Yeah, yeah.
Which is not flammable.
This is
Patao.
the second time in a row
Very
which I
risky.
saw this. Yeah. Okay. Champagne tower or Pani Puri live counter?
I would say champagne pani puri count.
I was also going to say that.
What is
Yeah,
that?
I mean like you
Like a
instead of
pani
pani, you can have the champagne in the pool.
Vodka puri.
Vodka pani puri
Vodka
types.
pani puri.
Is that a thing though? Like,
Yes,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
is.
yeah, very much a thing.
Nice.
your wedding. Let's put that down.
With the 20 people.
You're not going to be invited. Nobody's going to be invited.
Oh, we'll see.
I'm joking.
I could be the bartender serving the
Yeah.
pani
Yeah.
puri
I'm good at
shot.
wedding
You
crashing.
can have the relay, pani puri
I'm
relay.
good at crashing at
Are you
weddings.
going to be the one who's going to roast me at my wedding? Most unplanned expense which you've come across last minute.
I have to think about this one. Most
Okay.
unplanned expense.
We can skip this if you
I
want.
have an answer for this.
Yeah.
I think it's drivers' food, like guest drivers. Like sometimes it is like they come in numbers, and sometimes it is not planned. Like even after telling them like this is going to be looked out for.
Right.
But
So basically, RSVP does not include the drivers, right?
Yeah,
Correct.
I have one. So it should be planned, and we always insist. But when people don't, then the
Yeah.
client doesn't listen to us about the weather, and they don't plan the waterproofing. It's a massive expense.
Right. True. Gold, pastel, or neon? Your
I
choice
think
of
it
theme.
depends on the time of the
Event.
day.
Okay.
Yeah,
If it's
I
the day-
would go for morning pastels, evening gold, and neon for after party or something.
Ditto.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah, that actually makes sense. Love at first sight or love after budget approval?
You mean between us and the client, or you mean between them?
Between you and the client. What if you go for the vibes, you really like them, but they don't have the kind of budget? that
I
you-
would totally go for it.
You would?
Yes,
Yeah.
and I have done it where I completely love the family,
That's
but they don't have a budget. In fact, my team always pulls me, mat lo. I'm like, nahi yaar, bahut sweet hai, lene de please. Because right now, you know, initially when I was in the getting into the industry, I would always manifest or try to look or ask for these names कि मेरे को ये client मिल जाए, मुझे वो client मिल जाए because उनका बंगलो इतना है, ऐसा है. Now my thing is shifted completely to saying I want good clients.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't care
totally
about the
agree.
name. I don't care
I
about the
totally
budget. I
agree.
just want good clients who understand where we are.
I think it's also about the compatibility with the client.
Yeah,
than
and the
anything.
work
Absolutely,
satisfaction you get after
Yeah.
that is completely
because
different.
no
Like,
matter
yeah.
what the budget, if you're not satisfied at the end of it,
Yeah.
it's
Right.
it's just not nice. Yeah.
ये सवाल hurt हुआ है.
Why?
He's gone deep, no?
What
We've
deep?
got an
Okay.
explanation
Oh,
on
yeah.
the answer.
It's not rapid
okay.
anymore.
हाँ,
but
so
it's
that's
a
not
very
rapid
important,
anymore. But it was a good point that they covered.
Yeah.
Okay, Mayuresh, would you like to go ahead with truth or dare?
I have one trend
No.
that needs to come back in weddings.
One trend that needs to come back into weddings is the ghar ki, again because I'm a Punjabi, I'm saying this, but the ghar ka sangeet, jo ladies ghar pe
Yeah.
बैठ
Yeah,
के
yeah, yeah.
खुद
With
family
ढोलक and
वाले
all.
करते हैं ना
ढोलक
with
and
the
all, yeah.
ढोलक. I think that needs to come back, and even home weddings,
Home wedding.
That's-
Home
backyard
events.
home weddings.
Yeah.
And
Who has that kind of a home anymore though to have a
So
backyard?
we did one last year and it was beautiful. This one client I was trying to convince this year also because they have this gorgeous tree in their backyard, huge enough to accommodate 250 people, but they wanted a 500 people wedding.
अच्छा.
But that needs to come back. घर की शादी.
घर के
needs
और
to
घर
come
के
back.
इवेंट्स भी लाइक जैसे महाराष्ट्रियन में होता है यू नो मुहूर्त करतो आपण
Yeah,
लाइक
yeah.
यू नो ऑल दोस स्मॉल रिचुअल्स दैट यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट 6 months before the wedding
Correct.
like you know everybody
Correct.
coming together
Yeah.
planning the wedding together relatives
But
and
doesn't it
friends.
happen still?
Yeah, that happens but
Destination wedding में नहीं होता है ना
हाँ, वो
because
नहीं होता
everyone's going out, so then no one does that anymore.
yeah
So,
I think
Muhurta, I think, still happens. I
Muhurta
think.
happens, but I think it should be like not just
It should be
Muhurta.
covered also, like-
Yeah,
And
should
it's
be
also
given
not-
equal
now
importance.
What happens is a shortcut.
Yeah.
हाँ,
See कि हाँ
correct.
करना है तो
करना
करना
है
है,
तो
but
करना
it's
है.
not like a actual thing. Like you know, after so many years, I saw a proper rukhwat setup
Yeah.
with like and that lady because I'm not a Maharashtrian, so I was trying to understand all the rituals and I saw कि क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता.
क्या
है. It's nice to know everyone's culture.
And one trend according to you that needs to come back?
Yeah, I think
It's the
same
same.
She
thing. I
mentioned it.
completely
Needs to be
agree.
covered
Yeah.
and
Oh.
should be given equal importance as the other customary rituals.
Yeah.
Bharat or reception? Where's the real chaos?
Chaos.
Bharat,
I think it's
even I can
it's a
agree.
good
Bharat is an
chaos.
organized good chaos.
Yeah, I think it's a good chaos at Bara because everybody is at that emotional high because the wedding muhurat is coming closer and Bharat is happening and
I have
everything.
an
think it's a
incident
good
for
chaos.
a Bharat where it got really chaotic. So basically what happened was, you know, they played dhol tashas.
Yeah.
And they literally lift the woman in front of them and keep it on the dhol.
Yes.
And everybody heard, so I was like, you're just like manhandling her. Like, you cannot just grab a woman without her consent and keep her on the dole. And then he just continued with
Correct,
that dhol
correct,
tasha.
correct,
But then
yeah.
for others, it was like, okay, is that like inappropriate touching of some sort? Like, it happens. And then there was a fight that broke out. But
Yeah.
it was contained after a while.
I think
But in the Bharat, so you know, I've seen one thing that the Bharat, they purposely delay.
Yes.
Because the girl side, then they have to, you know, come. And then there's one Panditji getting all fired up because he's losing on his Murat. And then there's artificial chaos that gets created in the Bharat. Is it a tradition or what?
So it's a very North Indian thing to do is to delay the Bharat. Again, my husband's Bharat was 2.5 hour Bharat. So I lost my sunset Never got
Oh,
my
God.
pictures at sunset, which I tell all brides whenever they tell me today, "Mujhe sunset
do.
chahiye." I said, please do not have expectations. If it happens, it happens. Great. But yeah, so barats go on. Friends lie on on the floor कि नहीं जाएगा
नहीं
ये,
जाएगा।
आपको आना पड़ेगा लेने के लिए. But I think that's fun, you know. And as much as families tell us पहले कि नहीं यही मुहूर्त है, वो same parents बाद में बोलते हैं नहीं मजा आ रहा है चलो करने दो. Which is a good thing. I think you should kind of play it by the ear and have
Right.
fun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Play it
and
by-
live in the moment basically. Stop thinking about.
Yeah, but I
Muhurat
think
and
that doesn't happen normally in Maharashtrian wedding.
Yeah, it
They
does.
are very
It
strict
does.
about
Yeah,
yeah,
muhurats.
yeah.
And like that time, I'm like with a hunter to all the friends and everything. Like chalo chalo, ho gaya. Like
You will see me dancing in the barat.
so I
I'm
think
like,
that's
yes,
that's
I'm
again a
with
very
you.
like cultural
Yeah.
difference.
But also in
it's a good-
Maharashtrians, I think the barat happens after the vidhi, no? Most of the
After the
times.
vidhi.
Yeah.
But that muhurat is
Important. Yeah.
And what
So,
about the jute chori thing? What?
Very big thing,
are
very
we,
big thing.
Where are we with
Fights,
that?
wars.
Now let's talk now. Yeah. Before we go through the quick insights on that.
No, there's been a situation where we've had to come in and make peace because it got out of hand,
Oh.
where they were fighting and then the girls were not budging, but the boys' side were not, they were kind of stingy. They were not the ones
Ready
कि
to
अपने
shell out.
पास लेके आए because उनको नहीं पता था कि ये ऐसे होता है. So the girls were like नहीं 11,000, 12,000 इतना बढ़ाते गए and they were not budging, they were also not budging, so we had to step in and say guys just like calm down, get done with this. You know,
Yeah.
make peace with it because otherwise it can really go out of
Yeah.
I think I had an experience where the bride was little short in height and somebody stole her sandals also. And she was very upset. She was very upset. She was not a sport at all. Because इनके चुरा लिए तो इसके भी चुरा लिए किसी ने. And she was like, I cannot do the photos without my heels. And she was like upset and then we had to like get her sandals free. No money.
Sanika is getting scared. Sanika, we'll
I
watch your
think
sandals.
you know people would the
Oh
salis
God,
would
yeah, I
get,
can totally understand her plight.
I think the salis would get more money if they chura out the sasu's
Yeah.
Yes,
I
actually.
mean, they should go out of multiple chappals, ना? मतलब
Yeah.
किसी की ससुर के ही उठा लो भाई.
Yeah.
उसमें
पास
भी
तो
मैं
ज़्यादा
मदद
होगा.
करती हूँ.
अच्छा.
उसमें भी मैं मदद करती हूँ.
Nice.
And then it becomes about ego also. Like, how can we not give them what they're asking
Exactly.
for? Then that makes them think that we don't have money. So, chalo, kar
Chalo,
dete.
yeah, exactly. I mean, that's a fun thing to do.
Yeah.
It's a fun thing.
Fun thing
yeah.
to do. Exactly. So now coming to the truth or dare. Okay, so you all have to choose truth or dare, and if you all don't answer it, you'll have to
Have a shot.
have a shot. Okay.
Okay.
So starting with Satyashri, have you ever pretended something was not possible just because it was annoying?
Not really, honestly. Not really.
Achha, you never.
Never. I mean, I put my foot down if it is really not possible. And if it is annoying and they still want it, I do it. Nahi. This is the truth. Yeah.
Okay.
Never.
Don't lie.
Don't lie. Yeah,
No,
Please,
no,
Karen.
not
Please,
like that.
Karen.
Not like that.
Just to annoy it, not at the cost of my mental peace.
No,
I know.
I'm not.
I know.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Coming to the also truth or dare, what would you choose? Truth. Truth. Okay. Have you lied and said we are on schedule when you weren't on schedule?
A lot of times.
Thanks.
A lot of times. But eventually we made it.
Oh.
Yeah, there was this one. Can I go on an
Please,
incident?
of course. I mean, we want the incidents.
So there was this. There are many situations where even the bride is not on schedule, so we have to delay the barat. That is when the time you'll see me dancing in the barat the most, and I'm like, "Arey, bride ready nahi," but then I can't tell the boys' side, right? So then I'm dancing, and I go tell that one best friend saying you have to delay this wedding, the barat.
Yeah.
There was this other incident where our mandap, okay, we had this really elaborate forest theme mandap, which was supposed to not have too many support systems in it.
Okay.
And 2 hours before the wedding, the whole thing is ready, and I'm looking at it, we're taking pictures and everything, and one of the things snaps.
Wow.
Okay, this one thing snaps, and the whole mandap is like this now.
Wow.
And I am like dying. I had the most amount of anxiety in my life on that day. Suddenly, I'm just like, I need water, I need this, I'm going to collapse over here. And then I'm telling my team, बाहर हाथ डिले करो, बाहर हाथ डिले करो, बाहर हाथ डिले करो. And then the bride's father is like, सब ready? I'm like, हाँ सब ready है, don't worry. वो ना बाराती डिले कर रहे हैं.
Oh God, look at that.
So I have manipulated the situation, got things up in half an hour, and then I'm like, हाँ now you can get them.
Yeah, but sometimes I think it's
But you
required.
have
I
to
think,
do
yeah,
that.
I mean, I would
Have to
say
do
that
that.
we have to do that, and we have to stop making them panic. We know that things will be in our control soon.
Absolutely.
So we have to just tell them that it will happen. I have actually seen Damini painting.
You've seen me. Yeah.
Painting, like we know that we can go to any extent to get the work done. I mean,
Right.
we are not like ye kyun kare. She's actually painting with her hand.
Because
And-
the color of the mandap was wrong.
yeah. And so
they were
I know
painting the
I
mandap.
like we have the confidence that we'll get it done and we'll
Yeah.
finish the work beforehand.
Yeah.
But we don't want to make them panic. So it's our job to
So
It's
my
like
product-
manage the unavoidable and avoid the
Yeah.
unmanageable.
Yeah,
Yes.
no
Yes.
harm, no foul.
No harm, no foul.
Correct.
Correct.
Okay. Now, Satishi, truth or dare?
Truth.
Truth. Who secretly runs the wedding? Planner or bride's mother?
Very good question.
I would say planner.
फिर से
Planner.
बोल रहे हैं यार ये।
No, I am ready to take. I'm ready to take the shot.
Yeah, ready. Please have the shot.
They just make her
Ah.
believe that she is
She
the one
is.
calling the shots,
Yeah.
but ultimately it's us.
Ah.
I'm drinking the shots. I'm calling the shots.
Then
There
they
you
believe
go.
you. Then they believe
I very well believe that both of us. I know her well, how she operates. I think we run the show.
you. Lovely.
I don't believe
I have
that.
a group with the mother only.
Oh, yes.
That's true.
So she's telling me on this side, ये approved है, ये
हाँ.
approved नहीं है.
हाँ.
या फिर मेरी
वो तो
बेटी से
चलता
बात
रहता
करो
है.
हाँ,
वगैरह
correct,
ऐसा, हाँ.
correct.
चलता रहता
वो तो you have to have your strategy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to be in their mother's good books, good books, good books.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, there's no
Absolutely.
good looks.
That's true. That's true. Amini, truth or dare?
Truth.
Yeah. Have you ever regretted working with a client before the wedding started?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I offered to go out of it as well.
Ah, acha. But then what happened?
We did the wedding. They apologized during the wedding as well.
But what was the thing?
What was the thing? A
That
lot of
tipped
things.
you
They
off.
were just, they were not, they kind of did not respect the team and my work.
Have the shot your
and-
light now.
I
Has the
I'm
shot your light
serious.
now.
I'm serious.
Okay.
The
And-
father, I'm just trying to put it in a better way, but the father basically
no, I think
one
we
of the,
should cheers to
have-
this point
yeah.
because
Yeah,
that is very
actually.
important point.
Please, please,
like
They
if
were not-
you disrespect the planner
Cheers.
or the team,
yeah, so basically they were disrespecting my team and me,
Hmm.
the one of the men in the family. And he literally banged on the table in one of the meetings and said, "You will not do this wedding."
Oh my God.
Wow.
And I mean, one of those meetings where I was in tears, my team was in tears,
Wow.
and everyone was being disrespected in the way they were talking to us.
Was it on the
So-
initial stages or was it after everything was done?
It was kind of when we were freezing on budgets.
Okay.
So there was this one time where the one of the fathers had told us something secretly, and the other father didn't know about it. But on that table, the questions that were thrown to us were we were forced to kind of bring out one of the things, and that's what pissed him off.
I think shots for everyone. Yeah. Cheers to this point. For the team.
Cheers.
Yeah, absolutely for the
God.
team.
You're getting me drunk
for
at
the
like
team.
the afternoon.
Yeah. So next, dare or dare? Because I think we've exhausted the truth now.
Yeah, dare.
Dare. Yeah. ठीक है. Do a dramatic imitation of a typical client request. So आता करून दाखवायचं. Like pretend it's a phone call or it's a conversation and I'm Satyashri, for example.
You can have Damini at the other end of
Yeah,
the phone call.
I think you both can do it. Yeah, I think
Hi,
that would be
Satyashri.
great.
Hi.
Hi.
Congratulations.
Thank
So,
you.
How do you vision your wedding day
So
to
first,
be?
तो Satyashri, just listen. So we want this एकदम out of the box वाला wedding,
Sure.
जो पहले कभी देखा नहीं हो. थोड़ा ना मेरी बेटी sustainability में भी है.
Yeah.
तो तुम वो भी थोड़ा
That's
ध्यान
a
में
thing
रखना,
these
ठीक है?
days,
हाँ.
yeah.
तो तुम वो भी ध्यान रखना.
Yes, ma'am.
But हाँ, बहुत लेकिन मैं बता रही हूँ कि हमारी फैमिली में बहुत सारे लोग हैं. उनकी शादी तुमको ही मिलने वाली है. एक बार ये हमारा हो गया ना, तो तुम
हाँ.
हमारी फैमिली जैसे बन जाओगी.
If you can give me some idea about the budget in your mind, क्या है?
I think कुछ 5 lakhs के करीब.
Good one.
That was a good one.
Or we could have also added ki, okay, what kind of flowers are you looking for? Hydrangeas, peonies. the entry should be in a Porsche and ये वो करके फिर okay sure
Yeah,
then what's your
so
budget?
budget 5
5
lakhs.
lakhs.
5 lakhs.
What she's demanding. Yeah.
Okay, last there for Damini. Okay. Describe your last chaotic wedding in 20 seconds without using the words stress, last minute, or family.
Stress, last minute, or family.
Difficult.
Okay, so the Bharat reached the girl's house, and the boy's actual juta was left behind by his man Friday at his own house, and everyone thought that the shadow had the jutas. So everyone went crazy looking for it because he could not have his entry into the Vidhi Mandap without them. And then they started shouting at us. We started shouting at our team. Eventually, we found out that the man Friday was drugged somewhere. And eventually, he owned up that he had the jutas. So we got the jutas and then he made his entry.
Wow, man, superb. That was a very
Oh
good.
my
Without using the
God,
word. What's a
nice.
band Friday?
His best friend or
Oh,
No,
Like,
Actually, man Friday is your servant.
So,
Yeah.
oh, acha.
yeah.
Okay.
It's the better way of saying it.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
it's fine.
I
Just
thought it was
using
something that I didn't know. I was like, oh, man Friday.
Yeah.
Just like- So great. I think we're at the end of our podcast.
Yeah.
And thank you so much, Satyashri. Thank you so much for coming. I mean, thank you for your amazing insights.
Thank you
on
for
this
having me.
podcast.
Thank you for having me.
I think, and the wedding season is close,
Yes.
so I
Yes.
think we'll
Yeah,
have.
we are pumped.
You're
Totally
pumped.
pumped.
And with this podcast releasing, I think you might even get even more fun. So thank you
All
so
right,
much.
thank you so much.
And one last request, I want you all to look into the camera. Tell our viewers to like and subscribe and follow the What Is Up podcast channel and your experience in 2 words.
So, guys, thank you so much for having us. I would love it if all of you follow the podcast, which is the What Is Up podcast, and also our page, which is Q Events and Weddings, for the most fabulous weddings. And please follow the podcast for the most awesome podcasts.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for listening to us. I think wedding planners are misunderstood most of the times, and we got this opportunity to clarify a few things thanks to Sanika and Mayuresh. So I would request all of you to follow What Is Up podcast, and please follow my page, The Joy Smiths, and for your amazing wedding experiences. Keep in touch. Thank you.
Thank you. And if
Thank
you all have
you.
any questions, any contact related queries, we'll be putting their contacts, the websites and their Instagram pages. So you can get in touch and have a look at the pages, have a look at their work. So thank you for watching. Sanika,
Thanks for watching.
last
Thank
few
you.
last words.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.